What's up everyone, it's Raza back with another video, and today we're diving deep into the world of PHP frameworks. You know, those powerful tools that help us build dynamic, scalable web applications. We're not just talking about the usual suspects. We're looking at what's hot, what's new, and what's going to be huge in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned PHP pro or just starting out, choosing the right framework can make or break your project. So, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into it. Laravel has been the go-to choice for many PHP developers for years, and for good reason. It's known for its elegant syntax, robust features, and thriving community. But the landscape is always changing. So in 2025, is Laravel still on top? Let's break down some of the latest features and updates that are keeping Laravel relevant, and why it might still be the perfect choice for your next project. We're talking about things like Laravel Octane, which supercharges performance, and Laravel Sail, which makes Docker a breeze. These aren't just incremental updates. They're game changers that streamline your workflow and make development smoother than ever. And of course, we can't forget about the massive Laravel community, constantly creating packages and resources that make your life easier. So while other frameworks are stepping up their game, Laravel isn't resting on its laurels. It's evolving, adapting, and making sure it stays ahead of the curve. Now, if Laravel's the sleek sports car of PHP frameworks, Symfony is the reliable, heavy-duty truck. Built for complex, high-performance applications, it's trusted by the biggest companies. Symfony is incredibly robust and scalable, often the backbone of large-scale enterprise applications. But it's also adaptable for projects of all sizes. Symfony's component-based architecture offers flexibility. With Symfony 6, performance and developer experience are even better. It's all about giving you the tools to build powerful, maintainable applications. Whether it's a SaaS platform or a custom web app, Symfony has you covered. Chapter 3. Beyond the big two. The rise of niche frameworks. Laravel and Symfony might be the most popular kids on the block, but the world of PHP frameworks is bigger than ever. There's a whole ecosystem of emerging frameworks, each with its own strengths and target audience. We're talking about frameworks like Lumen, a micro framework perfect for building APIs and microservices. Or take PHP, known for its convention over configuration approach and rapid development capabilities. And then there's Slim, another micro framework that's all about minimalism and giving you complete control over your code. These frameworks might not have the same massive communities as Laravel or Symfony, but they offer something different, something unique. They're perfect for specific use cases, and they're definitely worth considering if you're looking for a more tailored development experience. The beauty of the PHP ecosystem is that you have options, you have choices. So don't be afraid to explore, experiment, and find the framework that perfectly matches your project's needs. So which PHP framework will reign supreme in 2025? It's honestly too close to call. The truth is, the best framework for you depends on your specific needs, your project's requirements, and your own personal preferences. The good news is, the future of PHP is bright. All of these frameworks are constantly evolving, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with web development. My advice: don't limit yourself. Dive into each of these frameworks, experiment with them, and see what clicks for you. The most important thing is to choose a framework that empowers you to build amazing things.